What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Whitney and today we're going to show you how to test for VCI. If you're not sure what VCI is, we have a video on it. I'm going to link it right up here in the iCard so you can go watch that and then come back and watch this one. Okay, so we currently have 4 products that contain VCI in the adhesive. Our flangeDOTS, our flangeDOT plus tag, our flangeRINGS, and our batROLLS. Now, let's go see how to test them. The first thing you're going to need is your Coretec Vapor detection solution. The second thing you will need are the test strips to dip inside the solution. Here we have a 2-inch flange dot. You want to start by peeling back the plastic, but you don't want to completely remove it because that is what is going to hold the test strip against the back of the dot. Next, we're going to take one of our test strips and dip it inside the Coretec solution. Then we take the strip and lay it down on the adhesive side of the flange dot. As you can see, the test strip is currently blue. Now, we need to let the test strip sit on the flange dot until it turns pink. When the solution turns pink, this indicates that VCI is present in the adhesive. After letting it sit, here is what it looks like when the strip turns pink. Now, you're ready to protect your flanges. Alright guys, that's it. Make sure when you're in the field testing, you're following all HSE safety guidelines. See you next week!